What's up, guys? This your boy No Chill Chad checking in, and I know it's been a minute. I know it's been a little while. Got a couple updates for you guys. Got some fun surprises, and we're just gonna go ahead and get started and jump on into what's new. Stay tuned. All right, we are back. I am back. I've been traveling for a little bit. I've been out of town for work. Shout out to Leaks Vet. Y'all make sure y'all follow him on Instagram. Linked up with him while I was in Virginia for a few weeks while I was out at work. So I haven't really got a chance to make a lot of car content because, of course, I've been gone. But while I've been gone, of course, I've been getting parts delivered. Get them in my mailbox. I've been anxious just to get home so that I can get to them, to be honest. Of course, right before I left, I got my carbon fiber drive shaft from Gulf Coast Drive Shaft. Make sure you check them out. I've already got a couple of my friends. They've reached out to them, got their drive shafts within a week and a half. I mean, they have the quickest turnaround I've ever seen. Great quality, great people, great company, great product. So just overall great experience. So if you're in the market for a drive shaft, aluminum, steel, or carbon fiber, hit them up, tell them No Chill Chad sent you, and they'll give you a little discount. All right. But today I just want to go and introduce you with my new delivery that we're going to go ahead and put on the car. So let me just clear this out. I got to get my other workbench together, but I'm about to actually move garages, so I haven't had a chance to really organize and get all my posters up. I've just been kind of waiting, but I'm gonna go ahead and get this right here, okay? So, from the one and only BAER products, Holly Performance, shout out to them. Recently, I've been seeing a lot of posts on social media. Everybody's been comparing what brakes they have on cars, whether it be Brembo, Willwood, BAER, saying, the Willwoods have a 16-inch option, Brembo, they go 18-inch option, et cetera, et cetera. But BAER products, man, they do some really good products when it comes to the calipers, the rotors, the brake pads, customizing. I mean, of course, the bigger the caliper, it always looks good. But at the same time, can you still fit a drag wheel on it? Which that was pretty much the reason I went with their 13-inch kit, their 6-piston big brake kit, 13-inch rotors, so I could still fit a 17-inch wheel on the car. They also go up to, I think, a 15-inch rotor, and they also have the BAER XTR, which is their really big caliper. And I tell people all the time, people look at like how many pistons you have on the caliper. But it's actually, what are the size of the pistons? Because I mean, you could get a 15 piston caliper, but if they're like, little bitty pistons, how much surface area is making contact? So just make sure when you're doing your research on your brakes that you're also looking at your caliper size, your piston size, how many pistons in general, and that'll just help you make a decision. But for me, I definitely went with the BAER system because it's a 13-inch setup, and I also can put on my stock wheels, my 17-inch stock wheels, just in case I might have a flat. If I were ever to sell the wheels and I just need to put on some rollers, I still have that option. When you usually do like the 6th gen Camaro or CTS-V brakes, it's hard to find a wheel just to put on the car, just to be able to roll the car in and out. So for me, the BAER was the option. Also, when it comes to the color, the powder coating options, BAER has a whole slew of color options you can go with. I went with the Monster Green just to give it a little flair, a little pop. I didn't think, really how it was gonna look. I was hoping it was gonna work, but it actually worked. You know, it just gives a little contrast, makes a little pop. But when you are comparing those other companies to BAER, I guarantee they can't do this though. So check this out. Here we go, guys. This is the billet aluminum master cylinder from BAER. I also have the valve to go with it, the proportioning valve as well. But you always know I like to add a little twist on it. So let me go and show you guys that. So when you're comparing all these brake companies, you make sure that they're able to take everything to that next level, right? But I bet you they can't do this though. Here, I want to show y'all here. So of course it comes with all the lines, everything you need. Proportioning valve, everything's labeled there. But check this out. This, my friend, is what you call custom. It's some little details. Everything is powder coated to match the brakes. I got my valve lines here. You can see the machining because it's billet, the aluminum, laser engraved. Man, this thing is too slick, bro. That's crazy. So, like I said, when it comes to quality, when it comes to customizing, definitely got to step up that next level, man. These are handmade out of Phoenix. That's where BAER's headquarters is, their office. But as you can see, this thing is super nice, man. So definitely can't wait to get that installed on the car. That's gonna be killer. Definitely matches the brakes, you know, like I say, monster green. So hope you guys definitely like that. So that's crazy. You can see the anodizing right under the powder coat, but that's gonna look real good up on the firewall. So when you pop that hood, you're gonna have just a little bit of that same green that I have on my calipers. You're gonna get that on inside the engine bay as well. So that's super cool. That's super cool. So that's pretty much what I got going on right now. You know, like I said, I got the carbon fiber drive shaft, got the reservoir. Make sure you check out Texas Speed. They got a new intake manifold for the LS1, LS6, LS7, I think LS3 that just dropped. Right now they got a group buy going on. So make sure you hop on that while it's new, while it's fresh. Man, what else I got going on? That's really it right now. Like I say, once I kind of just get a couple more pieces in, I'm gonna drop it off at the world famous J-Rod Speed Shop, of course. And they're gonna get me straight. Also, check out my homeboy's Blaze, SS Blaze on Instagram. His build is coming along. You can check his build out on J-Rod Speed Shop's Instagram page as well. If you think my car is clean, his car is just as clean, if not cleaner, because he's got low mileage. It's a black 6-speed manual. And of course, you know, with mine, with J-Rod's, you know, it was kind of like a test mule for a lot of things. But on his is gonna be a really nasty car. So shout out to Blaze, shout out to J-Rod Speed Shop. Major shout out to BAER Holly Performance. We're gonna definitely get that on the car real soon. Gulf Coast drive shafts, holla at them, man. But I'm gonna go and check out of here. Like I said, hit me up if you have any questions. So check me out, nochillchat.com. Go Go to the website, Instagram, Facebook, cop some merch, show some love, and I'll catch you at the next show, next car meet in your neighborhood, somewhere across the country, real soon. So it's your boy checking out, man. Later.